Okay, struck I misuse. I took this is wrong. R, capital R passes through the O. You can't take it now. So take about O the origin, F into the R plus P into R minus W. Here you can't take this R. So I missed that. So divide by small r, F plus P equal to this, right? F plus P equal to this value. I say my third equation. Then if you know the F value and the R value, F4R less than or equal to mu. So, you know, P equal F. So connect the 1 comma 4. Connect the 1 comma 4. This is F plus F2F equal 4W over 3 pi. Okay. Therefore, F answer 2W over 3 pi. Then write a sentence for equilibrium. For equilibrium, F over R. Sometimes we put like a mod also, right? Some question mod is important, positive. F over R less than or equal mu. So what is F value? 2W over 3 pi. What is the R value? W. Therefore W cancel. The problem is there. Mu greater or equal. So I made a mistake earlier video. So check that. Actually this should be a. You can't take that. I misuse. I stuck that misuse. Mistake. So it's the actual value. Mu greater or equal 2 over 3 pi. Okay. Right, see question number 9, probability and along with statistics. Well, the question, A and B are two independent events. Then we write the independent rule. What that independent means, probability of A intersect B equal PA into PB, independent rule of the probability, right? Define of the independent then. And they said A intersect B is 1/3, A union B also given. The conditions are what? Available informations here. Probability of A intersect B 1/3. A intersect B is 1/3. Probability of A union B is 5/6. Is 5/6. And they say the important inequality 2 times probability of A minus 1 greater than 0. Then they ask PA over PB show as 4/3, right? They are show 4/3. PA over PB 4/3. So build up an equation, try to format. So I take let probability of A, I say X. Okay. Probability of B, I say as Y. Okay. There we have to find the answer. X over Y is 4/3. And come to the independent problem equation given. This is what? 1/3. Okay. This is 1/3 equal to what? XY. First equation. That's first equation. Build up another equation for second. That's your primary oral maths. What is A union B equal to? PA plus PB minus A intersect B format. So first you write that form. Probability of A union B equal PA plus PB minus probability of A intersect B, right? So what therefore this is given 5/6. I say X, Y, 1/3. So can I take this side and simplify that form? 5/6 plus 1/3 equal x plus y. Okay. So what that 7 here to the 7 over 6. 7 over 6 x plus y. This is your second equation, right? That is your second equation. Like this. First and second equal was simultaneous, also a quadratic type equation. So you can find the x answer or y answer. You can find the x answer or y answer here by solving. That's the idea, right? So can I solve by both 1, 2? 1, 2, take here y subject, put here y is what? Or here take the y subjected, substitute here y for what? So 7 over 6 equal x plus, what is y here? What is y? 1/3 below 3x, 1 over 3x. Okay, doing primary class work now. Quadratic equation, multiply 6x, multiply 6x. Then here 7x. Okay, here multiply 6x. So here 7x, multiply 6x, 6x square. Multiply 6x, that is 2x. It's become a quadratic equation. How that? 6x square minus, there's a 1, 6x, multiply 6x, 2x. Rearrange the quadratic equation, becomes 2, here 2 plus 2 equal to 0. 12, 4 and 3 factorize, 4 and 3, 3x minus 2, next one what? 2x plus 1, is it check will? Is it okay? 6x square plus 3 minus 4 here, 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 1, minus plus. So x equals, okay, check will be 6x square minus 3 minus. So x equal 2/3 or x equal half. Is it? X equal 2/3 and x equal half. So then you have an idea which is suitable. Which value is suitable? They said this is considered, this given considered. Here they said an inequality. What is PA here? 2 times PA minus 1 greater than 0. Therefore, probability of A is what? Greater than half. This is x. Therefore, x must be more than half. So right below sentence given that, but x greater than half. X greater than half. They are given x more than half, right? Therefore, x equal 2/3. X equal 2/3. So what is y? Therefore, what is y? Put x for 2/3. Y becomes half. Y becomes half. Then go to the answer. Y becomes half. Then go to the answer. Therefore, probability of A over probability of B. Probability of A is 2/3. Probability of B is half. Therefore, the answer provided. Yes, very interesting question. Well balanced for the structure type. 4 over 3, right? I hope you work already these things. Check with me. Otherwise, see last question statistics. Last problem. So I work every my applied paper is shown one probability and one statistics. Okay, you can see there's some notation pattern provided there. First, they describe a set language, set notation form. Let x equal, the capital X equal, they said yes, x equal like a small x n, where n is such as xn equal to 2n minus 1, comma, n is the integer value, positive integer. This we call generating form. This pattern we call generating form. How to read this? Capital X, set capital X equal xn, such as xn equal 2n minus 1, where n is a positive integer. The very first you describe these elements. What are the elements belongs to this set? Capital X equal to, they said n is a positive integer. Put n for 1. Put n for 1. 2 minus 1. 1. Put n for 2. 4 minus 1. 3. Odd numbers. Put n for 3. 5. N for 4. 8, 7 are like this. Therefore, natural odd numbers is the problem. Okay. Now they show that the mean is and the variance of the first n elements of the set. First we complete the x bar, mean value. How to find the mean value? Adding all these numbers and divide by how many numbers are available. So therefore mean, otherwise x bar, but the mean value adding all the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, at last what? We put n for n, 2n minus 1 over, divide by how many numbers there are? N numbers. See, up to n value, put n for n is the answer. N values are there, right? Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, that value. Okay. So without n, you know how to find the answer of the sum of n number formula. Arithmetic mean, arithmetic summation, n by 2, n plus 1. Arithmetic addition, Sn equal n by 2, n plus 1 formula. You know, first term is 1, last term is that. How many terms? N terms available. So without this n, don't confuse this different separately. That's separately. Therefore, n by 2, a plus l. N by 2, a plus l. A is 1, last term 2n minus 1. Without this n, right? Now say into 1 over n. Sum of n numbers of an arithmetic series. So what happened? Answer there. Check field is okay. 2 cancel. Answer is n. Yes. Answer is n. Mean value is n. Right? Mean value is n. Right. Next, find the variance. All my previous applied math structured. I explained properly how to find the variance, standard deviation, also mean. Again, I show the formula for the variance. Variance. Second part is variance. Variance equal to, in such a raw data, it's called raw data. Single values are called raw data. So what the formula for raw data? Sigma xi square over n minus x bar, is it? X bar square. Remember this. Keep in touch, keep by heart. Is the way how to find the variance of a raw data. This come tabulated with the frequency. Put f here, that's all. You also sigma f on that case. I shown the last applied paper, I shown that. Okay. So you need this sigma xi, you know x bar. You know x bar no matter. Find separately sigma xi square is what? So I come here. Sigma xi square. Sigma xi square is what here? This is xi values. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to the last term is what? 2n minus 1 square, right? 2n minus 1 square is the meaning. How to find that? So how to find its answer? All these squares addition is what? You have a good question, but super problem for your future expectation. Here you need some pure mathematics series knowledge, like a square number summation. What the general term of this series? 1, 3, 5, 7. What the general term or Tn? Here we call UR. What is UR? 2R minus 1. See, that is sigma xi square is equal to sigma 2r minus 1 square r equal 1 to n. To find the sigma, you need a general pattern or general term of the series and go to that answer, come later to the original problem to find the variance. So this everything I can say this pattern, this symbolic form, right? Okay, see, therefore how to find this answer? Equal to sigma, expand that bracket, a minus b square 4r square minus 4r plus 1. Okay, here there are three series available: square series, integer series, and a constant part. Can I write separately? Take the 4 out, sigma r square. Take the 4 out, sigma r. Take the 1 out, that is actually 1 sigma 1. The boundaries is what? 1 to n. 1 to n. So I hope you successfully complete in our theory class the series problem. What is sum of the n number formula? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 what? N by 2, n plus 1. What the sum of the first square integers? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like that. N by 2, n plus 1, 2 n plus 1. Okay, n by 6, n plus 1, 2 n plus 1. What the sum of cubic numbers? N by 2, n plus 1, all things square. So I hope you learn in the classes. We complete here also. Now therefore we have to apply this formula. 4 into a sum of the square integer, first n integer value. But the answer is n by 6, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Sum of the first square integers, okay. Minus 4 into, but sum of the first integer value, n by 2, n plus 1. That is into n by 2, n plus 1. At last 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n, that is n. That is n answer, okay. So a good simplification idea, cut by these 2n over 3, n plus 1, 2n plus 1, here cut the 2n into n plus 1 plus n. Okay, that is sigma xi square. So if I come to there for the variance part, then you can easily simplify from there. So come there for variance. Again go to the variance formula. I mark sigma xi square divide by n. This is sigma xi square, right? This is sigma xi square 2n over 3 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 2n into n plus 1 plus n, everything divide by what? N minus mean square. Mean is n, its square. See, now here n cancel, all the n parts are cancelled, right? So 2 over 3 n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus 2 into n plus 1 plus 1 minus n square Now simplify that and go to the answer step by step. Move it. 2/3. Here are 2n square. 1 and 2 and 3 and plus 1. Minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1. Okay. And minus n square. So simplify and get the answer. I miss it's 2/3. 2/3 only for this. 2/3 and only for this part. Board I miss. And now see 2/3 only for that part, right? 2/3 belongs to this. Multiply the bracket 4/3n square plus 3 cancel 2n plus 2/3. Okay, minus 2n minus 2 plus 1 minus n square. Say 2n cancel. Actually, yes, this one. Minus 2n minus 2, just simplify, minus 1, okay, minus 1, and if you go simplify that, take the LCM 3 and 2, you can get the answer. Answer becomes n square minus 1/3, simplify that, right? You can get the answer. Is the variance. What is standard deviation? Square root of the variance, standard deviation format, right? Very important. This is my 8th applied maths structure type. So I hope you continuously regular basis, if you follow my these models, you can get some extra work than our tuition, our class work, some more applicable problems in the future exam. So expect me some other model papers. So newcomers, subscribe this and press the bell, send forward to your brothers and other colleagues. You can get some more combined maths video series.